Hi there! It feels so good to come back to this place. The last video reached over 2 million views. I haven't shown myself on the channel for almost 3 months. Wow! Unfortunately, I can't invest as much time into my hobbies as I used to back in the warmer days of the past. Yeah, the past always seems a little brighter than the present. Even so, no matter how difficult the present may get, we have to stay strong and keep moving toward our dreams. So, about this work. After taking a break from 3D creation, I wanted to try something different again. So I decided to return to creating live 2D models. Take a look at this bunch of mistakes. The elbows clip through the clothes, the hair physics are horrible, and the face look a little weird at times. But the important thing is that, despite all these issues, the model actually feels somewhat more alive inside the program than in VTube Studio. That part is still a mystery to me. No matter how much I tweak the parameters in VTube Studio, the result often ends up looking stiff as a rock. Still, this is only my second serious work in this field, and I'm proud of myself anyway. So please don't judge my attempts too harshly. Thank you so much for all your support. My subscriber count has grown even more while I was inactive. You guys are doing everything possible to make sure I never appear again. See you later, guys.